Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit a Netlify website by changing the deployed files. So this is useful if you want to update your site's content or publish a new version. So let's get started. So first, open up your browser and go to Netlify website. Sign into the account where your website is hosted, and once you are logged in, click Projects from the left menu and select the website that you want to edit. So inside the project dashboard, open project configuration. And if you want to update settings like the project name, enter the new name if needed, then save your changes. So keep in mind that changing the project name may also update the Netlify subdomain. So to edit your website content, go to the deploys section and open the connected GitHub repository and update your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript files. Then commit and push the changes. So Netlify will automatically start a new deployment. So once the status shows publish, refresh your live website to see updates. So Netlify will automatically start a new deployment. And once the status shows publish, refresh your live website to see the updates. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I will see you on the next video.